So I'm in a really big rush because I totally forgot that I had a nail appointment. So I'm going to go ahead and do everything really fast on camera, and then I'll see y'all later, okay? She slayed. She did so good. I love my nail lady. She's absolutely amazing. So I guess I'm still in a funk. It's 10 o'clock at night, and I'm making my husband and I some coffee because that's just what I feel like having. So I just realized that I haven't like closed out my vlog for the day. My vlog today is horrible, like yesterday, like just like in a funky funk, in my own little world, not eating, whatever.
You're the best.
Tomorrow's gonna be a better day.
You're the best.
It's now 1 o'clock in the morning. Brooklyn is still awake and my husband is yelling out, "You're the best." So I don't know. I guess I'm gonna do my nighttime routine and go try to put this child to sleep because it's 1 o'clock in the morning and she's just up chilling with us. I'm like, "Hey, mommy. Hey, daddy." Alright. Super greens. I'm gonna do 2 of these and 2 of the acais at one time because I don't like those by themselves. They're going to sleep too. 2 and 2. My husband and I have officially paid off our cruise, and we just randomly upgraded our cabin just now. We're like, we're the most, what's that word? Impulsive. I wasn't gonna say impulsive, but I guess so.
What was you gonna say?
Like, not impulsive. Like random, when you do random. You think we're impulsive? I think we would just be doing some random shit. Anyways, like right now, I have to get up early and go to the post office before they close too, because I gotta mail out these tea kits. If you want a tea kit, there's a link in the description to this video. You can order your tea kits. But also, if you want to try Herbalife, you can then click the link. Everything I do and everything I can help you with is in the link below. I messed up my nail. I like just got these done. I was working and one of my pens was bleeding. Anyways, I'm not gonna take CMOS because I took that this morning. But I'm gonna take a fat burner. Best product ever. Organics Nature. If you want this fat burner, in the description to this video, there's a link. You can order this. I, bless you, highly recommend the fat burner and the Irish sea moss or the gummy one. Favorite. Since it's 1 o'clock in the morning, I'm gonna take 2 palms. And then I'm gonna take my treatment because I did go to the pharmacy today. Picked up my refill like a big girl. I was saying that usually I send you to pick up my treatment. I never ever like go do it.
Movie.
Huh?
There's a new movie out.
It's in a new movie.
There's a new movie out.
Oh, I'm talking about my treatment. You talking about a new movie. He said send my husband to do what? I said I usually send you to get my treatment. He talking about it's the new movie. Yeah, I picked it up after my nail appointment. Everyone's proud of me picking up my own medicine today.
They saw you.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I got scared. So we need to get some thumbtacks tomorrow.
We have a lot of them.
Where? We need to.
It's 1 o'clock in the morning. My daughter's looking for thumbtacks.
Don't tell Kumar because I've been using. Where?
Okay, y'all, I'm gonna go edit this vlog and go to bed. Thanks for watching my very sad vlog today.